Alright, this is a quick video from my friend Midnight. Just showing him how to do a little bit of the pumpkin stuff. Alright, here we go. So I got my avatar loaded, the SDK loaded. Now I'm gonna load the pumpkin tools in there. And I recommend loading it in the beginning of when you're making an avatar, because if you do it like right at the end, it could screw everything up. Anyways, and then I basically just load up one of these scenes. So here you have two avatars loaded in. Open up Pumpkin, and you're going to want to go ahead and select the avatar you want to work on. And here lies a quick setup avatar. I don't recommend hitting that unless you're like barely starting. But here you can do Fill Advise Me, that's the mouth thing. That'll automatically do that to you. Here you can edit scale and revert scale. I think you were looking for that when trying to make stuff smaller and bigger. I like edit scale because it gives you a fucking height chart right behind you, and then you can like start to edit it from here. So down here, what you do is you copy components from an avatar that you already have done. Let's say you want animations or audio sources or whatever you want to bring over. You can bring the descriptor, bones, bone colliders, trail renderers, particle systems, audio sources, etc., etc. And then you basically I would hit show all and see, like, that way you can like really get it going. And then copy selected. So that'll basically copy all these things from this avatar to your new avatar. So useful, like saves so much time. This empty script button I like because it gets rid of scripts that you're not using or that might mess up when you're uploading your project. Oh yeah, and here the camera. So I like this camera because it lets you use an overlay, which basically if you don't want your avatar picture there, you can choose something to be in front of it. Or you could also use it in the background. The background color is like pretty simple to understand. Oh yeah, and then you can tint it too. So it like looks in the background. Let's see. I think that's pretty much it from this tool. You can check out all the stuff on your own. I like the poses thing too because it'll give you like different poses to work with. Oops. And then you can even edit the poses and start messing with the arms, the legs, this, that. If you want to like make your picture cool before you upload it, how you do it right here, the poses. Yeah, I think that's it for this tool. So now let's go to making a package. So let's say I got this guy. Right. So basically, you're gonna unpack prefab right here if it's already blue. Then you're gonna go to Assets, Export Package. Wait, before you do this, make sure there's no avatar descriptor or pipeline manager here yet. Just get rid of them. That way, when somebody else opens it on a different account, it doesn't start like messing with the fucking anti-rip shit. So get rid of the avatar descriptor, then go to Assets, Export Package, and then you're going to want to uncheck the VRC SDK. You do that because they may update the SDK later on. So if you uncheck that and then upload this into a newer version, it should import better. So yeah, just get rid of that SDK. And then hit export. That should work. If it doesn't, let me know. I'll try to troubleshoot more, but that should work. Anyways, hope you get it. Bye bye.